Action. My mother insisted that I must boil water before cooking ugali, but she never told me why. So today I'm going to find it out. I'm on campus and I can do whatever I like, right? It all started in the 18th century. The lawyer community of Kenya was trying to make thick porridge out of maize flour, and then to their surprise, they ended up with one of the best recipes in Kenya, ugali. I think I am becoming extremely good at this. What do you think, guys? At the end of this video, all I want to know is how ugali cooked with cold water tastes like. It's just curiosity, nothing more. Wow, take a look at this. This is awesome. This is now ugali. Well, basically what is happening is that the maize flour is made up of starch grains which absorb water and expand. They burst and release glucose molecules, and these glucose molecules are bonded in chains. They intertwine with each other to form ugali. That's the science behind it. And roasted grass. So you turn it once more and then you place it down together and it becomes this nice ugali. Can't wait to eat this thing. Here comes ugali. And now let's try this using cold water. But I must warn you, once I ate this thing, my stomach was terrible the whole night and part of today's morning. So be careful. In fact, don't do this. Can you do it a little faster? Oh yeah, see? Is this fast enough or should I do faster than this? The original ugali is smoother, more than, I don't know if you can differentiate them, but the original one is smoother, yeah, and it looks well mixed and everything. Why are the black spots you can see is because I used maize flour, not processed or just ground. Let's go ahead and taste this thing and know how it tastes. This is now ugali cooked with cold water, and yeah, this is always the best part of the video. So I think I can feel some particles of flour in between my teeth and in my gums. It has a unique taste of sweetness, but at the same time it feels uncooked. Nevertheless, it's not that bad. So what about your original pearl? Let's see. Actually, you can see this one is more rigid than the other one. Yeah, the one cooked with cold water crumbles a lot. Yeah, it can easily crumble, but this one is rigid and firm. Yeah, the best ugali. Awesome. Wow, I guess this thing tastes original. It's the best thing I can ever have. Yeah, no fly between my teeth. This is well cooked and also sweet. I don't really know which one to choose. Okay, but the winner is original ugali. It's the best. don't cook ugali with cold water, cook ugali with boiling water. So if you forget everything, don't forget that ugali is made up of starch grains. Starch grains are made up of glucose, so they give your body energy. Cooking ugali with hot water or boiling water is important because it's going to be well cooked, well mixed, and sweeter. And cooking ugali with cold water is going to be terrible for your stomach. And this is probably not the best video you're watching in terms of quality and everything a good video has, but you can always show some support. To help me make better videos, remember, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'm Stan Right. I'm just a curious guy.